Are HHVB GLP-1 Slimming Drops really the secret to rapid, effortless weight loss, or are they just another flashy product feeding off false promises? In a world flooded with miracle solutions, this one claims you can lose anywhere from 10 to 120 pounds without any diet or exercise, simply by taking drops. That's a bold statement. According to the official marketing, these drops not only suppress your appetite and boost metabolism, but also regulate blood sugar, block fat and sugar absorption, and even reshape your eating habits for long-term results. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? That's exactly what pushed me to take a deeper look. Right off the bat, they claim to be FDA approved, yet there's absolutely no trace of this on the FDA's official website, and no real documentation is provided. That's a major red flag. Then, I found before and after transformation photos that looked suspiciously familiar. Turns out they were used from different websites and possibly even stock images. Even more alarming were the so-called doctor endorsements. They appear word for word on other unrelated product pages, making them seem copied and fake. The site also boasts being featured by major organizations and media outlets, but I couldn't find a single legitimate article or mention to support that. And let's talk about the reviews. All of them are overly positive, glowing with praise, yet there's no independent feedback or verified user experiences on trusted platforms like Reddit, Amazon, or health forums. It all feels heavily scripted and controlled. I'm not here to say it's definitely a scam, but with this many red flags, it's far from trustworthy. If you're someone seriously looking to lose weight, you deserve honest solutions, not empty promises wrapped in fancy packaging. So before you fall for the hype, take a step back and ask yourself, is this product offering real science or just another slick marketing trick?